Hello everyone and welcome back. Our blog post has headings, paragraphs, and text formatting, but it still feels incomplete because it does not have any images. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to display images using HTML attributes and resizing images and understand why alt attribute is one of the most important parts of the images. So let's get started. So if we look in our finished web page, we can see two images, a large block and a smaller author profile picture. So let's begin with the larger blog image. Inside our project folder, we already see have an image is called postimage.jpg. We want to replace it below the author information. So we want to replace it below the author information. To add an image, we use img element called open close brackets img. To add an image, we use image element, and as you can see, we can paste this URL in the source like post. As you type, the VS Code automatically suggests the image location and we simply just enter it. Unlike headings or paragraphs, the image element does not contain any text, so it does not need any closing tag. So simply when we go to our web page and refresh it, as you can see, it comes under the text below. Now, beside as source, every image should also have an alt attribute. The alt attribute stands for alternate text. This text is extremely important for two reasons. First, it helps search engines understand what the image contains, which improves our website's SEO. Secondly, it improves accessibility. People using screen readers can't see images, so the screen reader reads the alternated text instead. This helps visually impaired users understand the content of the web page. HTML code displayed here. Another benefit is that if the image fails to load because the file name or the path is incorrect, the browser displays the alternative text instead of the broken image. So always write meaningful descriptions. Don't use something generic like image or anything. Instead, describe what the picture actually shows. Now, our image is currently too large, so let's resize it. We can use height and width attributes for resizing it. So save it. Once we save it and refresh the page, see the difference before and after. So let's just adjust it. The browser automatically adjusts the height, so keeping the image looking proportionally. So if you use incorrect dimensions, the image becomes stretched or distorted. So it always best to maintain the original aspect ratios. Now let's add the author profile. And as you can see, there is larajones.jpg. We added that. Just type Lara and you can get the location. And don't forget to add the altered text. I'm just typing a shot of Lara Jones, giving the width of 50 and height of 50. Just saving it. And when I refresh the page, as you can see, the exact images from the finished web page and the one we have just created just now.